How to enter referral code on Temu. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can enter your referral code on the Temu app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to enter referral code on Temu, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch the Temu application. Once you launch the Temu app, make sure that you're signed into the account, and after you sign into the account, tap the U option from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the U option from the bottom right, you're going to be taken to this page where you have to go to coupons and offers at the very top. Once you go to coupons and offers at the very top, what you want to do is here you can see enter coupon code. This is exactly where you want to actually paste your code as well, which is your referral code or coupon code or discount code. Any of the codes that you might have, you simply want to make sure to enter them there. Once you make sure to enter your code, you can just tap the apply button, and depending upon the value of the code, it's going to get successfully used and redeemed. This way you can go ahead and then enter a referral code on Temu. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.